Here's a problem with a webinar, Cole, that nobody talks about, and it's a big problem. Successful people don't attend webinars. They're too busy. I don't attend webinars. I very rarely do, and if I do, I catch the recording. If it's really serious, I have my assistant attend the webinar and then give me the notes. Nowadays, the AI is doing it, right?
Yeah, I don't even attend webinars of investment call updates that are updating me on what I did with my own money.
Correct.
So I'm probably not gonna opt into one on Facebook.
So I get these I'm sure you get them too, because we have a lot of money in a lot of different places. My financial advisor puts it in. I'm in funds I don't even necessarily understand, and then I'll get these text messages. Valued shareholder, we have this meeting coming up because we have all this capital, and we want you to know how we're allocating it. And I'm like, I don't care.
Yeah.
I don't even show up to those, right? So you have to create conditions for those types of people to show up. They will show up if you make the invitation so specific and exact and direct to them. And that's what we essentially did. So this is like, if you're an Amazon seller who's selling this much, who has this much product, who has these issues. And so only people that were successful Amazon sellers that were hitting a constraint and plateauing at their level of success, that's the only people that were interested in coming. So we made the invitation super specific to them. And that was the first thing we did. The second thing that we did is we had such a good reason why that this product was going to be incredibly limited. And that was because we had figured out how to really rank products on Amazon to a degree that if Amazon knew how well we had cracked their algorithm, they would change their algorithm.
Yeah.
And they eventually did, which is crazy that a small town Iowa boy like me could influence the largest e-com platform in existence. But hey, anything's possible. So we were like, hey, listen, we only have 100 spots that we're going to test this on because we want to make sure that we don't break it for everybody. So we have to limit. So we have massive scarcity, and scarcity is the number one driver to conversion. The more scarce a resource is and the more demand for it, the easier it is to sell. And so we had not artificial scarcity, we had hardcore legitimate reason why scarcity is we are testing this with a small group of entrepreneurs. We don't think it will go weird on Amazon because we're so under the radar, but hey, we don't know. So do you want to be one of our 100 guinea pigs? Now, we told them in advance, we are going to sell you this software on the webinar. So to a successful business owner, letting them know you're going to sell a product that's really amazing is actually super attractive. It's like saying we have a new Ferrari out. You get to come to the showroom to consider to be one of the 10 people who could buy this new Ferrari, right? So we are straight up with the product. Now we get them on there and we're like, hey, listen, I'm going to show you the software, which I think revolutionizes everything you can do with Amazon. But to get there, we first must set the stage. So we let them know that there's something to be sold, and you see this on phone sales all the time. People are like, what's the price? They want to know what the price is up front.
Yeah. And
you have to say, well, we'll get there, but hold on, all these things need to happen first. And they're like, why? I just need to know the price. So you have to have the ability to have a good reason to build up to the point so they have the proper context in order to appreciate the value. So we had that there, right? So this was the frame of the software. Now, here's what's really cool about this product, Cole, and a lot of people don't get this. And this is something I've done so well with in my life, is you want to have things that have less to them, but do them better. So let me describe this. So we all know ClickFunnels, right?
Yep.
ClickFunnels is the funnel builder. If you want to build a funnel, it can do it. If you want to make it red, it can make it red. If you want to make it pink, it can make it pink. If you want to use this font, it can do this font. If you want to have it for any type of service, product, e-com, what have you, multi-level marketing, it can do all of that and more. It's a Swiss Army knife solution. And that's good for masses, okay? But what we have discovered is if you really want to help somebody, you don't add features, you remove unessential features until only the essential is left. So we essentially built a funnel builder for Amazon sellers and only Amazon sellers. And you would only buy this if you were an Amazon seller who was trying to rank products on Amazon in a certain specific way. Because nobody in Amazon selling at that point in time could do any of this on their own with any third-party funnel builder. They'd have to custom code it and hire their own programmers. And even then, it was super duper difficult. So we built a software that had baked in features that made Amazon sellers now be able to build funnels to rank their products easier than you could in ClickFunnels, but in a way that no other funnel builder in the world could do it. And it was the easiest software you could ever use because you basically checked a couple boxes, filled in a few points, and then it was done and it printed it. Now, could you change the font? No. Could you change the background color? No. Could you restyle the template? Not if your life depended on it, right? But you could put your ASIN in here. You could check this box. You could put these keywords in here, and you could select the funnels you wanted to run it into. You could drop your coupon codes into it, and then it would auto-rotate it logically in a way that we knew would increase rankings on Amazon. So we had the most specialized, most specific software on the planet, and we charged $10,000 a year per license. And the first time we do this webinar, I drop the link 42 minutes in. I get into my stance to pitch for the next couple hours because that's what I'm used to doing. 5 minutes later, we had sold out all 100 units. We sold 112 units, I believe, at $10,000 a pop. We made like $1.29 million on a webinar in 47 minutes. Insane.
Yeah. It just goes to show a good offer beats all the persuasion.
We had 500 people, 587 people that we could even invite to the webinar because it was a subsegment of a subsegment of a customer who had paid at least $3,500 on the front end who had got a good result from us. So it's amazing what you can do on the back end with webinars. With very small numbers of people, you can put up large numbers of revenue.
If you enjoyed this clip, you can check out the full podcast by clicking on the screen right here to check out the full episode.